Yeah, there you go. They were under the fan. And the fan is filthy. This thing, whoever had it, didn't take care of the things very well. Because it's full of gunk and brown, dark dust and all sorts of other disgustingness. There you go, we got it. A little difficult here. Contrary to what I said about Nintendo stuff being easy to take apart. It should be screws somewhere that I don't see. Most of this is moving. Could be these guys here. Let's try to remove those in the front. Hopefully I could without much issue, because like I said, there's rust, so it might be difficult to get some of this stuff off. There you go, got one screw without stripping it. One nice rusty screw. See if we can get the other one. Well, this one's done for.